Can I obtain the TV IP address without a remote?
Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. You've lost your remote and now need to find your TV's IP address. You might be wondering, is it possible to find the TV's IP address without a remote? Absolutely. Today, we're going to guide you through this process.
Why do you need the IP address of your TV?
The IP address of your TV is a unique identifier that enables your TV to connect to the internet and other devices. If you want to connect your TV to a network, use it for streaming, or troubleshoot problems, you'll need this IP address.
Using the TV interface.
Some smart TVs let you access the settings menu without a remote, using buttons on the TV itself. Let's go through the steps. 1. Power on your TV and look for a button or combination of buttons that allow you to navigate the menu. 2. Find and select the Settings or Menu option. 3. Navigate to the Network Settings, Internet Settings, or a similarly named option. 4. From there, you should be able to find a section called Network Status, Network Information, or similar. Here, you'll see the TV's IP address. Remember, the exact path to the IP address information varies between different brands and models.
Using a connected device.
If you can't navigate your TV's menu without a remote, you can try using another device that's already connected to the same network. If your TV is connected to a network via Ethernet or Wi-Fi, you can log into your router's administration panel from a computer or smartphone. 1. Open a web browser and input your router's IP address. 2. Log in using your credentials. 3. Navigate to the list of connected devices, often found under Device List, Attached Devices, DHCP Client List, or something similar. 4. Look for your TV's name or MAC address in the list. The corresponding IP address listed is your TV's IP address. Note: your TV needs to be powered on and connected to the network for this method to work. And there you have it. Whether it's through your TV's physical buttons or through your router settings, you can indeed find your TV's IP address without a remote. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have further questions or need more help, feel free to comment below.